day, everyone. Welcome to Eco Watch, where we bring stories about nature, sustainability, and environment. Today's special episode, it's all about the concept of ecosystem development, how nature grows, changes, and restore itself through time.
Hello everyone, good morning, and I am here to talk about the stages of the economic development, whereas the first stage is the pioneering stage, where you can see the bare and damaged soil, where nutrients are very low and it only grows moss, grass, lichens, and algae. So sila mga basa tali sila mga tubo, basa tali ng yuta, I don't know. And mura ni sila mga okok kay mao tayo silang equivalent nga living organisms aside sa okok nga mabuhi bisan unsa ka lisod. Actually, ang for example ani is ang kugon grass, whereas magamit natin makita natin sila after sa mga abandoned nga mga upland soils. For example, atong mga maisan nga wala na tanum-tanom, makita ang mga kugon diha mamilit sa imong shore. And then at the next stage, ang ikaduha nga stage, whereas ang mga diri na mag-thrive ang mga living organisms and mga small living organisms such as shrubs, bushes, and other small animals. As the name suggests, this is the second one, the establishment stage. As you can see, or as you heard, that these are establishing and more prominent. The soil is now more active on nutrients. It's grown nutrients. There's growing bushes and shrubs. There's also thriving animals here. So this is where more nutrients are formed in the soil and more healthier soil. For example, for instance, in Bukidnon, for increasing the soil structure or the nutrients, we plant ipil trees. And that is all.
Thank you, Mr. Aljo. Now, let's move on to the next stages. The growth and expansion and the maturity or the climax stage. In the growth and expansion stage, biodiversity increases and more plants and animal species appear. So, the food web expands. The soil becomes richer and the water regulation improves with the deeper roots. In this stage represents a productive and sustainable ecosystem. For example, in the Philippines, agroforestry systems. So, example of these are cacao, coffee, and other flowery trees that mix with timber species. Finally, we reach the maturity or the climax stage. At this point, the ecosystem becomes stable and self-sustaining. It has high biodiversity and strong resistance against pests, diseases, and disturbance. Example of these are the coral reef, tropical rainforest, and the forest in Palawan and Sierra Madre.
Even though ecosystem reach maturity, they can still face disturbances. This can be natural like typhoons, wildfires, and volcanic eruption, or human-induced like mining, deforestation, and slash and burn farming. For example, Kaingin and Mindanao often turn forests into grasslands. Without proper care, soil fertility may decline, and it become hard for it to recover. But human can also have positive influence. Programs like reforestation, agroforestry, and protected areas can help ecosystem recover and move forward. The CBFM, or the Community-Based Forest Management, supports local communities in restoring forests and also in promoting biodiversity. To conclude, economic development follows 4 stages: pioneer, establishment, growth, and maturity. Each stages strengthen processes like nutrient cycling, biodiversity, and water regulation. While disturbances can cause setbacks, human care and management help guide to recovery and ensure sustainability.
This has been your Eco Watch Day, reminding everyone that healthy planet means a healthy future.